Good morning, everyone. It's a chilly but beautiful sunny day here at Fortuna Pond. We've been here for a couple days and a lot of people are leaving because they have been here their 14 days already. So they're going to go do something else. I believe we're going to stay here for a couple more days since it's such a beautiful sight, and I told you I would show you around. Alright, let's get our day started.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. But you react to me. We are reacting so much differently.
Believe everybody's getting packed up, and the group that was here before us is getting ready to head out. Such a beautiful spot here. This is Fortuna Pond. Look how beautiful and relaxing that is. We've actually been here a couple days and I haven't filmed. I've just been enjoying myself. It's just nice and peaceful here. Right, Moo-moo? Doing your morning stretches? Crazy booger. Moo-moo. Come on, get down so she can take her jacket off. It's so comfortable. What? Down. Good girl, good girl. Uh-oh, it's gonna fall over.
Whoa!
Oh, wow. Danger, Will Robinson, danger! That didn't go as planned, did it? Right, they're headed out. Get in your car, girl.
Up in the saddle.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Bye.
All right, later.
That fire's fine.
Yeah, you are? Yeah. All right.
Bye. And there they go.
Good.
Are you leaving too?
Yeah, I'm going to Mexico with her.
All right, we'll see you later.
She does just the same thing she does too.
That is so cute.
Oh, I don't have my camera, darn it.
Aw.
He's like, I can play with you because you're a mirror of me.
Arizona Game and Fishing Department. This is the community fishing water pond. And here are some of the fish that are in there. Ooh, rainbow trout. Catfish. Wow. They do stock this pond, and here is the daily fishing limits. You do need a valid Arizona fishing license. Here are some of the trail tips. I called it tail tips accidentally, but oh well. Here is a warning here that you are near a border crossing area, so please exercise extreme caution. Dangerous people!
Danger.
Danger, Will Robinson.
Danger, danger.
And this is managed by the Bureau of Land Management. They're patiently waiting on us. We're slow. Slow, sorry. This is a popular place for kayakers and paddleboarders. I saw a paddleboarder in here yesterday. Moo-moo, Rossi Poo got you.
I got you, girl. Go check it out.
No, if you tell me to check it out, then there's probably something totally wrong with
The
it.
door is still open.
Yeah, because they keep on making fun, and there's flies literally flying around it.
At some
So,
point, you just have to stop using the outhouse.
oh no. They also do have garbage here, which is nice. You don't have to go run into town for garbage. What? Oh, crutches.
I couldn't see if you could get there by.
That's a river. It's not a pond.
There's a little road right there, but dead ends.
Come on, Terry.
I'm coming.
Are you filming nature, girl?
You and your camera. You do have to be careful.
It's pretty. Yes. That's beautiful.
Water, you know, that looked like ponds, but I was going to see it's moving.
So we made it to the mucky water. Mucky. And also the end of the trail. Yep, just turns into bush. Huh. So we're on the other side of the pond, and as you can see, there are tons of RVs over here. It's a beautiful spot. And there's cattail all around the perimeter of the pond.
Ross is like, I could have sat back here and not have gone through all this punishment.
There are a couple entrances to get into the main circle that goes around the pond. Boom was like, hello, how are you doing?
Oh, busting it.
Walk.
Were you saying hello? Yeah? Look at the line of Class A's. There's a lot right there. We're almost around the bend. We just gotta go around this way, and then come back around to the other side. Well, we're making it around the bend and almost to the other side of the pond. It's a beautiful pond. We're at another entrance/exit. And there's not much parking by the lake, but there's a little cove right there, little part where you can go, but it's shaded. So there's no motor vehicles on that side of the rocks because they're trying to preserve the water line. But you can park on this side if there's room to protect the soil and water resources. There was about 4 ATVs that just came through here. I guess it's a popular place for ATVs too. We're almost back to base camp. It's just right down at the end of this road. So this really is an amazing place for camping and also other activities. Did you have fun, Moo-moo? Did you enjoy yourself? Yes? Yes, you did? Yeah. Dave is here. He just made it. He was here earlier, but we weren't here yet. You're doing what?
I'm making just sausage
Wraps?
sausage tortilla rolls.
Oh, okay, nice. Oh, look, this is an inlet. I just noticed. As you can see the water flowing in. Nice. While the sun is almost going down, I do like some of the spots that are over on this side. We're on this side over here. And another thing is that this side is already completely shaded, where this side is not. So if we stay here longer than a couple days, we might move over here and find something else. If it clears out over there, because it is kind of busy over there. What you doing, Moo-moo, huh? We're walking out on this land bridge. A lot of people use this for fishing. Ducky poos, ducky poos. What is it, Moo-moo? Is the lake monster gonna get you? Ah! You are too quick for me. So I've heard that there are some people that have been here about a month, which is unfortunate because if the ranger catches them, it's a $250 fine. So, hey Bella. Bella, what you doing, Bella? She's like, let me out. Oh, there's the smart dog. Who's that? Who is it, honey? Who is it? Huh? Yes, I know. Your big nose in the camera. Is this your way of socializing? Yes?
Hello. Oh, it's burning. Hang on. Shoot.
Take
Of course, mine.
Mine was awesome.
Are you here to pick up your order?
Yes, thank you. What is this?
You about lost your dog there.
I know. What is this?
It's sweet sausage and onions and green peppers and red pepper sauteed, and then with a little bit of hot pepper or salsa, mayonnaise, and sweet chili sauce.
Thank you. Looks good.
Aja,
Uh-huh.
order up.
Oh, another one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's like drive-through service, except the
know.
drive-through comes to you.
I know, that's awesome.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you. We're actually waiting for it to get darker because we're going to have movie night tonight. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love you guys out there. Bye for now.
I needed clarity, yes I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react, how you'd react to me. So much differently, 'cause I am different to you. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune.
Once quoted as saying, I dropped from my mother's womb, I hit the floor, and they started crawling through hostile territory toward my grave.
That's badass.